Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 58,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, and window defogger.